Are you one of those people who constantly has to be in the know? Who has to stay up to date with the latest trends? Hi everyone, my name is Carla, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use your curiosity to change your habits. If you ever wondered why it's so hard to put your phone down and stop scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, and watching all those TikTok videos, it's because you have that itch to be in the know. You want to stay up to date with the world. You don't want to be left behind. But when does that fear of missing out on the latest TikTok trend become too much? Bad habits are often hard to stop because they are made up of three components: a trigger, a behavior, and a reward. A trigger is some sort of emotional state, like the feeling of being stressed and overwhelmed. A behavior is like scrolling through Instagram, and a reward is, well, the feeling of being in the know. Each time you reinforce the reward, in this case the feeling of being in the know, you become more likely to repeat the behavior. The key to breaking this cycle is to become more aware of the reward. And to do this, you first need to figure out your triggers. What causes you to start the cycle of bad habits? In one of my previous videos, I talked about procrastination, so we're going to use that as an example. So our trigger here is procrastination. So what does that mean? Well, that means you need to pay attention to the circumstances surrounding you when you tend to put things off until the last minute. Do you have a project you're trying to avoid? Do you not understand how to complete a task and are too embarrassed to ask for clarification? Then identify what you do to procrastinate. Do you go and turn the TV on, or do you spend hours watching TikTok videos? And then the last step is to clearly link your action to an outcome. Ask yourself, what do you get out of watching TikTok videos? How rewarding is it in the moment when you realize that it isn't helping you get your work done? And instead of watching TikTok videos as your reward, replace it with curiosity. Being curious helps you acknowledge the emotions you're feeling, such as boredom and being overwhelmed. And curiosity is not some sort of exotic thing. It's just a desire to learn and investigate what's going on. It's the feeling in the think, feel, act cycle. And you don't have to be born a curious person. You don't have to wait for curiosity to strike. It's something that you can actually cultivate. When we engage our curiosity, we learn to explore what and how we feel, and we also expand our boundaries. We push our minds to become more creative and allow our minds to become open to new ideas. And in order to do this, all we need to do is step back and watch your habit as if you're doing it for the first time and really think about how it makes you feel. If you think about it, curiosity happens all the time. For example, this YouTube video, either the thumbnail or the title made you curious and you clicked on it. And hopefully it's providing some value and benefit to you. So to recap, use your curiosity to change your habits by taking a look at how you reward yourself. If you find yourself rewarding yourself by just time fillers like scrolling endlessly through Instagram, Facebook, or watching TikTok videos, then you need to ask yourself why. Instead, ask yourself, why is it that social media platforms are so addicting? Who knows? Maybe you might be the next CEO of a huge company. The world is full of opportunities. So open your mind and allow yourself to be as creative as possible. And if you do happen to become a huge CEO, be sure to give me a quick shout out. I'm just kidding. And so with that, thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please be sure to give it a like. And if you enjoy videos like these, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notifications every time a new video comes out. See you on the next one.